Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another thing to the car. So if you guys check out my last videos out of cars and coffee, and in that video I was talking about the exhaust. I'm not sure how this video is going to work out because I didn't set an appointment. I'm just going to roll up there and see. So I might get the exhaust put on today, it might get put on in the next few days. I don't know, but it'll be all one video. So like I was saying with the exhaust, the previous owner had the cats welded to the X pipe, welded to the over axle, welded to the it's not even axle back, it's just tips, which is weird because these are pipes bomb. I'll go and show you guys. These are pipes bomb. So see pipes right there. You see that right there? I believe they welded that to the pipe. So yeah, it's a lot of weird stuff going on right there with, I don't know why they welded everything together. There's the exhaust piece. I'll show you. See how low it is right there? But they welded that together, welded all that. There's my X pipe, the end of it, that's all welded together. And let me show you I don't know if you see the cats, but there's the cat, and that's all welded together. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I got an off-road X pipe, so that's a cat delete and also an X pipe. I'll show that in a second. And then gonna have that X pipe taken off, run pipe over here. I'm gonna keep the pipes, like nothing's wrong with the pipes. It's just I don't know why they welded everything together like that. So I'm gonna keep the pipes. My plan is to have them put on the new pipes, the X pipe and the cat delete, and then run it onto the old pipe, put a clamp here, and then of course have the clamp up there, so if I want transmission work they can do that. Because when I went to the shop for them to do my oil, who I'm going to take my car to from now on, they said they can't do anything transmission wise unless they cut my exhaust because everything's welded together. So that's why I need to go ahead and get this done. So okay, boom, here we go. So these are the I believe they're magnet flows. Here's the cat delete right here. This part would connect to your headers, and boom, it has the holes for your sensors. Here's the X pipe. I bought it off Facebook Marketplace. Good deal, actually really good deal on it. An older guy had it and he said they were way too loud and raspy for him, which isn't, the raspy isn't the sound I really want, but with the tips I have on, shouldn't be that bad. Older guy said it was way too loud and too raspy for him, so he said he only had it for like 10,000 miles, which if you look at the exhaust, I meant it's normal wear and tear from it being on there, discoloration, no scrapes. His car wasn't lowered, so there's no scrapes. So like I said, oh, and he said he had an '08 Mustang, so had the same year as mine. So everything should just, like I said, bolt on, that to the headers, this to the X pipe, and then when I have these, you know, run like that, normal exhaust. Gonna go ahead to the exhaust shop. Next clip you'll see will be them pulling the car around. And like I said, not sure if this is gonna get done today. I'm just rolling up to the exhaust shop to see if they can do it today. Alright, let's go and get in that last cold start for you guys. Alright, so like, don't get me wrong, it's loud, but they can always be louder. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we're gonna be dropping the car off here. It's Max Out Garage here in Andrew. I'll have their information up for sure. But we're gonna be dropping the car off. They're gonna be doing everything. Like I said, it was a crappy weld job, so they're gonna change all that out. All new exhaust piece, custom exhaust. Ho ho. So next time you see the car, we'll be with the new exhaust. Ooh, they have some nice cars out here. So they're out there working on the car. They got started something up over here. Alright guys, so here's the shop right here. Make sure you take a screenshot. They do a bunch of stuff. Look at that. Wide body Corvette. There's their shop. They do painting, engine swaps. They do a lot of things here. Be sure to check them out if you guys are in the Andrew area. This little walkthrough, what they have. Another walkthrough. Pretty much it, guys. We'll be picking this thing up soon. Alright, so we're picking the car up now. We're at Max Out Garage. We're gonna get that first start up. Get all the new piping on. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a third gear pull. Hear how this sounds. Township. Oh my gosh, dude. This is insane. Oh man. I love this. It's great. The pops, the crackles. Alright guys, so we are back at the house. First drive, amazing. The exhaust sounds really good. I see with the other guy, the previous guy who had that exhaust piece on, was saying it is pretty raspy, but if you don't mind it, I mean, I don't mind it. It kind of has that S550 sound. But I took a look at the exhaust whenever they did it. I'll show you guys what they did. Oh, let me take the stuff out of my pocket. All right. So pretty much what they did was they put the bands on. You can see right there, up there, and that's it. So they did that so then that I can take the exhaust off whenever I want. Everything's not welded together. There was also, let me go right here. They also, if you can see, that right there, they had to do my diff seal because it was leaking. So they went ahead and did that. Definitely will be going back there again. I used to think my exhaust was loud, but holy crap. This is super loud. I'm gonna get one more warm start, and then I guess I'll throw in a cold start tomorrow when I go out. It won't be, it's not considered really cold here yet because it's in the summer. But alright guys, I'm not gonna rev it because like it's 5:45 in the afternoon right now, and this thing is loud, super loud. I'll go somewhere else, like another area, private area, where I can rev it, and then put that in like a little video, like a startup. Probably have a before and after kind of thing going on there with my previous videos, and then link it in with this one. So if you guys like what you saw, this is gonna be like a super short video, I believe. I don't know, I'll see when I edit. But let's get a walk around the car. But this will be a super short video. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, like and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, you guys take it easy. Be safe out there.